Hi everyone, this is Pampi Morandante again, and today I will be talking about sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so here we go. Sine, cosine, and tangent, these are three functions but the same idea, and these are all based on a right angle triangle. Look at this illustration. Here, this is a perfect example of a right angle triangle. Okay? Now, naming the sides of a right triangle is very important for us. First one, referring to this triangle. Look at this. The one opposite to the right angle is what we call the hypotenuse, which is the long one. Referring to this angle, angle theta, this is the opposite side. Okay, meaning opposite to the angle theta, which is our reference angle. Next one is the adjacent. Adjacent meaning it's next to the angle theta. So that's it. That's hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. Okay? Look at this. Two illustrations here. We have adjacent is always next to the angle. Look at this reference angle theta, which is the adjacent side, and opposite is opposite the angle. Look at them. Okay? So that's it. Sine, cosine, and tangent are the three main functions in trigonometry. They are often shortened to sin, cos, and tan. Check them in the calculator. It's here. Okay? And to calculate them, divide the length of one side by another side. But the question is, which sides? Here we go. To start with, we have the sine function now. Okay, so when we say sine, this is easily remembered by the abbreviation SOH or SO. Okay, remember this is divisions. S stands for sine, O opposite, and then divided by the hypotenuse. So here in the illustration, we have the opposite, referring to the angle theta, which is the opposite side, divided by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the one opposite to the right angle. Okay? So let's give an example now. We have here, solve for x in this given illustration. Okay, applying the concept of sine. Our reference angle here is 59 degrees and we are asked to solve for x. So that's sine 59, okay, which is equal to x, the opposite side to 59, and then the hypotenuse is 17. Then cross multiply to solve for x, okay, and then x is equal to sine 59 times 17, okay, by using the calculator. And here we go, the value of x is 14.57 in 2 decimal places. Okay, that's it guys. Next one, I have here next example, which is solve for the missing angle, which is represented by a question mark here. And let's see the relationship. We have, this is opposite 39, and then 44 is the hypotenuse. Okay, so in that case, that is sine x is equal to 39 over 44, and then solve it algebraically, dividing both sides by sine. And then there you go, we have 39 over 44 divided by sine, or all over sine. And in this case, okay, that's the reason why it is, we have here x is equal to 39 over 44 all over sine. And then here, what we are going to do is we are going to get the inverse. Okay, so remember it's in the denominator that becomes -1, and in the calculator this is how you do it. This is where we can find sine -1, and then there you go, the value of x is equal to 62.42 in 2 decimal places. Okay, that's all for now. You can just check my next video about sine and cosine, which is cosine and tangent, I mean. Thank you. Bye.